Hey guys, my name is Donita and welcome to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. And if this is your very first time here, please let me know in the comments how you found my channel. On this channel, I do clothing hauls, black love, travel vlogs, and of course my main wig reviews. So if you like what you see by the end of this video, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video. And if you have come across my channel before but haven't subscribed, what are you doing, sis? It's free to support, so show your girl some love and subscribe, and we're gonna get into some things with this hair and we're gonna be right back.
Can we just talk? Go back. If I'm moving too far, can we just talk? Can we just talk? Figure out what we're doing. Yeah. Started off right, I can see it in your eyes. I can tell that you want more. What's been on your mind? There's no reason we should hide. Tell me something I ain't heard before. I've been dreaming about it, and it's you I'm on. So stop thinking about it. Can we just talk? Can we just talk? Talk about where we're going before we get lost. I've never felt like this before. I apologize if I'm moving too far. Can we just talk? Can we just talk? Figure out where we're going. Can we just talk? Go back where we're going. We get lost. Can we just talk? Go back where we're going. We get lost. Figure out where we're going. Out a few, left some flowers in the room. I'ma make sure I leave the door unlocked. Now I'm on the way, swear I won't be late. I'll be there by 5 o'clock. You've been dreaming about it, and I'm what you want. So stop.
So today I'm reviewing another Outre unit. So thank you, Outre, for kindly sending me this unit. It is from their lace front wig collection, and I got it in the style SOLANA. This unit is giving me Solange vibes. I honestly think they wanted to call it Solange, but maybe for copyright reasons they couldn't. They call it Solania, yeah. I think it's called Solania, because if you think about it, Solange is somewhat spelled the same way. But anyway, I got it in the color DRFF Black Cherry. It is heat safe resistant fibers, safe up to 400 degrees. It's an HD transparent lace, and it comes in a bunch of specialty colors. And this is what the stock card is looking like. It has natural baby hairs, and yeah, that's pretty much it. If this unit was a plop and go, you guys know I love me some plop and goes. So all I did was use my Ebin lace tint in the color medium brown. I sprayed the lace underneath. I didn't spray too much because there wasn't a lot of lace to work with, which is, you know, also not bad. So after that, I blow dried it a little bit so it can so it won't bleed on my hair. But then I went in and cut the lace, and then all I did was lay it down. I used my Juvia's Place palette, my chocolates palette, and my matte press powder. So I use this color, and then my MAC press powder is in the color medium brown. I went in with a brush. I used both of them. Went in along the part to define it a little more, and then I went in along the hairline with the same chocolates palette, and I darkened in the roots. And as you can see, I do have a little bit of baby hairs out that are mine. But yeah, this unit was easy. I love me a plop and go, and I'm loving the texture of this hair. It's soft. It is so soft, and it smells good too. It does tangle a little, but that is because of the curl pattern. As far as shedding, there is some shedding going on. Again, it's probably because of the curl pattern. So just keep that in mind. I do feel like this hair is a little bit more bigger than what it's looking like in the stock card. I feel like maybe in the photo shoot they might have put a little bit of product in here just to tame it, but this is a lot of hair and it's giving me Solange vibes. This is a hairstyle Solange would wear, okay? It is, the cap size is big hair friendly, so that's a plus. There are 2 combs on the side, adjustable straps back there as well, and a comb in the back. And there is some hardware up here because it's a lace front. The only lace you're going to get is right here and a very tiny bit right here, but there is some hardware right here. So I just bent it a little bit so it can stay, you know, rounded on my head. Before that, it was like flapping a little bit, so yeah, there is some hardware right here. I just bent it and, you know, it looks good. And you can see the lace a little bit right there, but for the most part, it's good. So if it's blowing in the wind, this is all you're gonna get, okay? But I do like this hair. It's a lot of hair, you guys. So keep in mind, if you wanna wear your hair like this, you know, for the summer, I would say this is a good vacation wig for sure. You know, you can wear it on a yacht. You can wear it out and about with your girls. So yes, it is a cute unit and I do like this hair. I feel like for me, this would be a special occasion wig, not an everyday wig, because there's a lot going on. But I'm loving this color too. And here is the curl pattern. It's so pretty. Ugh, I love it. I really do like it. I feel kind of glammed. So I did go in with my blow dryer on top. I think maybe I feel like I look kind of like a cone head in a way, but that might be because of how my hair is underneath. I didn't braid my hair, I twisted it, but I tried to twist it as tight to the root as possible because that's just how I've been growing my hair. It's been working for me. So under my wigs, I do have a twist out underneath. But yeah, so I did go in and flatten it a little bit more, but this is so cute. Yes, Outre. Okay, so just a disclaimer, I don't know the price yet. This unit is not available on any websites, hence why I'm not putting it out yet. So I'm going to try to hold off till you know, when I actually see it on the website so I can post it for you guys so you can know where to purchase it. But the price range is right here. So yes, I apologize in advance. I don't know the price. I just looked. It's not available. But by the time I post this video, it will be available and you will have some answers. Okay? Okay. So this was a super quick, fun, easy hair video. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, please. Make sure you guys subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video. It's free to subscribe, okay? It's free to support your girl, and thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time.